Dinner is on the table in just 20 minutes with this quick chicken and noodle salad. Any leftovers are perfect for lunch the next day too. Get started by combining the chicken and spice blend in a bowl. Then spray a frying pan with olive oil spray and place over medium heat. Cook chicken in 2 batches, turning until cooked through. Next, you need to prepare the rice noodles following packet directions. Drain and refresh under cold water. Place the noodles in a bowl and add the salad mix from the coleslaw kit and reserve the dressing for another use. Then, drizzle over the mango, lime and chilli salad dressing. Give it a toss to combine. Arrange on a platter for serving and top with chicken and drizzle with extra dressing. Dig into this quick and easy chicken noodle salad, perfect for busy weeknights.